Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to download videos on Udemy. As you know, Udemy is a famous website, so you can learn many courses here. You can also download. There are multiple categories available here, so you can easily search according to your needs. Like I'm typing Excel here, so when you type, just click on enter button. So here you can find there are many tutorials available here, so which one you want to download. So now click on this tutorial. So what you need to do, you have to buy a premium account to download all these tutorials. Simply click on buy now, and here you can add your payment method and complete. After the process, you can easily download the Udemy videos. Like I am playing this tutorial, so this is the demo tutorial. So when you buy the premium account, you can easily find the download option. By clicking on download option, you can easily download any tutorial in Udemy.